Hello everyone, this is Jean and welcome to my channel. So in this video po ay magsi-system demo ako on how to transact or how to pay our bills payment using our WealthyPay platform under the Wealthy Lifestyle. So this time magbabayad ako ng aming Meralco at saka ng aming Maynilad. Okay, so ang Meralco ko po ay due date August 31, 2020. And ito naman yung aming Maynilad which is due date na siya noong August 18, 2023. So, itatry ko siya kung possible ba na makapagbayad pa ng mga overdue. Let's try. And, yan, magsi-system demo din ako about our WealthyPay system under na Wealthy Lifestyle. So, first, kailangan lang muna natin mag-login sa ating Wealthy Lifestyle account. So, ito yung ating homepage ng Wealthy Lifestyle. Okay, so here, meron tayong remittance, may bills payment, may loading, may portfolio, may fund transfer, may online booking, may hotels, may shipping, may online shop, and may insurance, the network reports. Siyempre, lahat ng transaction natin, naka-report yan. And meron din tayong account settlements, link account. Okay, so hindi ko na muna i-discuss sa inyo yung ibang services. Doon muna tayo mag-focus sa bills payments. So let us check the bills payment. Okay, ito na. Nandito na tayo sa bills payment. So dahil unahin ko muna si Meralco. Si Meralco po, ang due date niya ay sa August 31. Ayan, August 31. And magbabayad ako ng electric. Siyempre, nasa electric si Meralco. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa electric. And dito, choose dealer. Hanapin ko lang muna si Meralco. Okay, so andito under Novelty Pay or ni Unified. So next is proceed. Di ba yun na magkamali sa pangalan, wag lang sa account number. So double check before you proceed. So yan, and then transaction password, which is very secure yung ating account kapag dahil pera to. So we have double security purpose, the login and the transaction password. Next, once you enter the transaction password, proceed. Click proceed. And I'm done using our Unified B2 through bills payment at bayad na ako sa Maynila. Okay, so yun lang. You can save or you can copy the transaction number just in case for your reference purposes. Okay, so thank you very much and kontakin mo ako kung isa ka sa mga dealer ko na gusto magpa-guide or isa ka sa mga gusto na matuto about this bills payment facility or gusto mo pong mag-franchise ng payment center, just contact me, Jean Iragel. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook account, Jean Iragel, at dito sa YouTube account. Just click subscription, and hit the bell notification para ma-notify ka sa mga next na video ko. With that, maraming salamat and God bless.